Audience, what are you doing inside? It's severed shark head. That's okay. Devil horns? It's just natural. Overnight, kind of. I was gonna put some Neosporin on it, but I don't know, didn't do anything. Intro, darkness, and redness, and what? I was gonna, I didn't do anything because I didn't do it. I still have to put it on. So we're on the set of my music, and there's Jack's. Jack Film's coming, Jack.
That's right, that's right.
And he's an intern, can I say that?
Yes, you may.
This is all under wraps. So, okay, there's, oh my god, that looks so awesome. This is their set. Like, I don't even know what I'm allowed to show you guys, but,
We're gonna try to help you out with that.
my music. When did it come out? March?
Yeah, March.
It comes out in March, so we're filming a bunch of, like, oh my god, look at all the freaking guitars.
Yeah.
My guitar's broken, I should bring it in to swap it.
They're all real, too.
Those are real.
Yeah, like real guitars.
There's this, I can't talk about Dubstep, the character? Or no?
Yeah,
You think so?
maybe a little.
Okay, well anyway, there's a character named Dubstep. You don't want to know
There you
anything else. He's pretty awesome. Okay, and then there's, oh my god, a mustachioed skeleton, I think is also kind of precarious. You know, I mean, you keep growing hair after you're a skeleton, so that's why they did that. Skeletons actually usually have massive mustaches. Anyways, yeah, don't jingle it.
I'm sorry.
Is he trying to, oh, he's picking his teeth. He can floss when you're missing, like, every other tooth. That's useful. Just floss with your finger. Okay, so everybody's eating food right now, and I just got this stuff. Like, it's glued, and I'm not going to be able to rip these horns off for days.
They're not blue, they're permanent, bud.
Okay, so let's do some acting. What are your lines?
My lines are, I don't say a lot. I'm kind of like the Jim Halpert from The Office character. So I look at the camera, I do like a lot of those, like good morning, guy. That's kind of my
Swirl
thing.
some red wine?
Yeah.
No. So he's an intern, so he's, I guess, people put their legs up on him. My script, have you seen what I'm supposed to say? My script says, Toby says something funny. that's my
Oh,
script.
you have to improv a little.
Pressure's
That's
on.
right.
It says,
That's right.
improv something hilarious. Anyways,
Yeah.
oh, the mustachioed. Okay, so this character must like mustaches a lot. Let's just continue to walk around just a bit. Oh my god, there's suits of armor up there. I really wanted to start you guys out in the suits of armor, but it's bolted shut, and I'm not allowed to show off that part of the set. It's not till season 2.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. But this you can show, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, what in it? Oh my god, there's real grass. That is grass. Okay. Good lord, how long did it take to freaking build this thing? We should go find the Bros.
Yes.
What's going on?
Oh my gosh, that's them right there.
What are the odds? Oh, they're planning stuff. So I was up. What is this?
Oh,
Oh,
God.
boy.
Oh, God.
Up.
Oh, God.
Oh, thank you. I was gonna have a tail sticking out the side. It's very Jason Lee-esque, this part.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
No, not the
Yeah,
audience.
that's so good. Yeah, welcome.
The audience burns.
So, the touch, yes, like a vampire. No, it's because I'm a demon now, so, you know, I burn, I think, is the real idea. So, oh my god, you freaking had this. We had a painting painted? That's amazing. How long did it take for you to put all this stuff together?
It's still being put together.
It's not done?
No,
It looks pretty completed.
Yeah.
You have a freaking lit up My Music sign. This is
Lots of
insane.
stuff.
And all the walls are bulletproof, or what is that, soundproof? Well,
Nope.
whatever. Sound bullets?
Yeah.
Okay, so should we look at some food?
Oh my god.
Where can I take them?
We can take them outside.
All right, let's go. I mean, I guess that's about it. You guys want to look at some food? Probably not. But I just want to show you guys this stuff. I gotta memorize my lines. I'm just kidding because I don't have any. Bless your face. It's improv. If you sneeze in this video, bless you. Do the best to teach your This is 3.5 minutes. Is that too short now? Let's just look over. There you go. There's a guest star over there. I can't tell you who it is, but the name rhymes with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So, yeah. Hello. Welcome to my music. Okay, bless your face. If you sneeze in this video, bless you. Do the best to teach your in the bottom of the video for an animal t-shirt. Listen how classy I said the horns. They add +10 classiness and -10 ability to go to heavenness. Be tough. But do subscribe. Outro darkness and redness and whiteness. Blueness, really. Thanks, color. That's good to have that going background.